Alright guys, it's day 14 of our 21-day habit forming challenge, and today I'll be giving you tips on how to make your habits irresistible. In order for us to do this, we must recall the second law of behavior change, which is make your cravings attractive. Cravings are your body's reaction as you are doing your habit. You feel cravings when your body produces hormones doing certain things, and this makes it very irresistible. And the way you help your body to produce these hormones is through anticipation. The moment you anticipate something good, something exciting, something you really love, your body reacts by producing hormones like endorphins, oxytocin, serotonin, adrenaline, etc. And these hormones will make your body move even you don't want to. And you do this in many different ways. First is doing your research. You can read some articles, watch some videos about the benefits that you will get when you do the habit. Another way is looking at people already doing the habit that you want to do and observe them and study them why they enjoy doing it. Another way is when you do your habit, make sure you really enjoy it. Make yourself comfortable, play your favorite music, wear your favorite outfit, use your favorite tools, do the habit with the people you want to be with. Another way is to reward yourself with something that you really love. When you do this, you make your cravings very attractive and make your body anticipate the moment you see the cue for your habit. Alright, that's day 14 and one more week to go. I'll see you at the 21st day of this challenge. Kaya natin to.
Subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified for the next video. And be sure to check the links below in the description if you want to register for this challenge and if you want more tips to help you in your online freelancing journey and other ways to earn income online. This is Rene and I'll see you in the next video.